So it's 2026 and the war everyone had been warning about has begun. Aircraft carriers are moving across the Persian Gulf, missiles are being launched, and the United States is now directly at war with Iran. If you tell the average American that this war could mark the beginning of the end of American dominance, they will laugh at you. America is too powerful, the dollar is too strong, the military is too advanced. That is exactly what Rome believed. Every empire makes one final mistake, the last overreach. Wars are expensive. The United States is already carrying massive debt. Every missile launched, every carrier deployed, every prolonged operation adds pressure to a financial system already strained. Empires rarely collapse because they are defeated in battle. They collapse because they fight too many battles at once. Look at Rome. In its final centuries, Rome was not weak in the beginning. It still had a powerful army. It still controlled vast territory, but it was fighting everywhere at once. The Roman army was stretched thin across thousands of miles. Soldiers were exhausted. Costs kept rising. To pay for all this, the government raised taxes and debased its currency. Inflation exploded and trust in the system declined. Rome did not fall in one dramatic moment. It slowly drained itself. By the time the Visigoths sacked Rome in 410 AD, the empire was already financially and militarily exhausted. The final invasion was not the cause of collapse. It was the result of years of overextension. Now think about the bigger picture. When the United States focuses heavily on a war in the Middle East, it has to send troops, weapons, money, and political attention there. That means fewer resources are available elsewhere. While America is busy, countries like Russia and China are not just sitting still. They watch carefully. If the US is distracted, they may strengthen their influence in other regions. This is how global power changes, not with a single explosion, but with exhaustion. The Iran war is going to accelerate the economic strain, internal divisions, and loss of global influence for the United States. And history shows us that the final mistake never feels like a mistake at the time. It feels necessary, justified, and strategic until the bill arrives, and by then it is too late.